Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create album to Google Photos on computer. So how to create album to Google Photos on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many menu options here. Next, tap the plus icon. Now a scrolling menu like this will appear. There are many options here. Tap the album menu. A menu like this will appear. Here, type the name of the album we are going to create. Now, tap Add Photo here. Now you can choose to add photos to the album that was created. After finishing, tap Done at the top right of the screen. Now here you have finished creating an album. To see it, we go to the album menu. Now here you can see the album that I created earlier. So that's it, the tutorial how to create album to Google Photos on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.